testing out my squishies. It's paper though, but it's another real squishy. Sorry, it's in my bag. I'm home alone. Wait, I'm just gonna open it. So this is the squishies, but they're not kind of real. I really like squishies though. I got the glitter chocolate. It's the purple one. And I got this super clingy clicker and this squishy Sour Patch Kid and a needle. And I got a squishy Skevin and I got a spear and I got this gray squishy. Let's all grab it. Okay guys, now it's right here in my hand. Let's just go upstairs. So anyways, that's all my friends. Anyways, this is my squishy. Let me just open the door. Boom! Balloon. I got this new squishy. It's really so cute though. Okay, so that's my squishies right here. Wait. So let's put it right here. Okay guys, fidget trading tayo sa comments. If i-fidget trade ko tong butter, ano i-fidget trade mo? At saka i-fidget trade ko tong purple glitter dumpling. Sorry guys, ginawa ko lang. Wala kasi yung mga iba. Ano ba meron? Meron din ako maliit na butter squishy habang kalat ng babae. Guys, gawin nyo tong profile nyo. Ang cute. Ayun o. Oh. At saka meron din ako dito Sour Patch Kid. Saan ba yung flavor? Meron din akong strawberry squishy. So sana po i-like nito guys. Meron din akong dalawang nido kasi mapangit nga yung isa. So ito na papakita. Yung maganda. Ice needle. Ito din. Clicker. Ayun lang mga guys. Sa part 2 na yung mga iba. Bye!